Freeze drying candy is a fun and easy way to create your own snacks, desserts, or gifts. You can use any kind of candy you like, such as gummy bears, Skittles, M&Ms, or even chocolate. Hi everyone, this is Hannah from Blogging Good Food, and today I am going to show you how to freeze dry candy with 3 different ways at home, depending on what equipment you use. The first method is using a freeze dryer. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Arrange your candy in a single layer on the trays of the freeze dryer. Step 2. Place the trays in the freeze dryer and close the door. Step 3. Set the temperature and time according to the manufacturer's instructions. Usually it takes about 24 hours to freeze dried candy. Step 4. Once the cycle is complete, remove the trays from the freeze dryer and store your candy in a airtight container. The second method is using dry ice. This is cheaper and faster option than a freeze dryer. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Put on gloves and safety goggles and get some dry ice from a local store or supplier. You will need about 5 pounds of dry ice for every pound of candy. Step 2. Break the dry ice into small pieces and place them in a large cobbler. Leave some space for the candy. Step 3. Put your candy in a Ziploc bag and seal it tightly. Poke some holes in the bag with a needle to let the air out. Step 4. Place the bag of candy on top of the dry ice in the cooler and close the lid. Leave it for about 12 hours or overnight. Step 5. Carefully move the bag of candy from the cooler and enjoy your freeze-dried candy. The third method is using a freezer and vacuum sealer. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Put your candy in a single layer on baking sheet and place it in freezer for at least 48 hours. Step 2. Take your candy out of the freezer and transfer it to vacuum sealer bag. Seal the bag with the vacuum sealer. Step 3. Put the bag of candy in the freezer for another 48 hours. Step 4. Take the bag of candy out of the freezer and cut it open. Enjoy your freeze-dried candy. That is for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more kitchenware reviews and cooking hacks. And do not forget to check out my website blogginggoodfood.com, where you can find affordable kitchenware products and written cooking recipes.